sound more senior. Replace these 10 weak words. There's a difference between speaking English and sounding senior in English. Most professionals don't struggle with vocabulary. They struggle with weak language habits that quietly reduce their authority. Today, I'll show you 10 common words and phrases that make you sound less confident and what executives say instead. Why language signals seniority. Seniority is not just about your position. It's about how you frame ideas, deliver messages, and choose your words. Small language choices signal confidence, clarity, and leadership presence. Weak language does the opposite. The pattern behind weak words. Before we go into the list, here's the pattern. Weak words usually soften too much, reduce clarity, or sound uncertain. Executives don't sound aggressive. They sound clear and intentional. 1. Just. Incorrect. I just wanted to check. Correct. I wanted to check. You already know this one. Remove just. It removes apology. 2. Maybe. Incorrect. Maybe we could try this. Correct. One option is to try this. Maybe sounds unsure. Executives present ideas as options, not guesses. 3. I think. Overused. Incorrect. I think this might work. Correct. This approach should work. Used occasionally, it's fine. Overused, it sounds hesitant. 4. Sorry, unnecessary apologies. Incorrect. Sorry, quick question. Correct. Quick question. Executives don't apologize for participating. Save sorry for real situations. 5. Kind of, sort of. Incorrect. It's kind of delayed. Correct. It's delayed. These phrases reduce clarity. Say exactly what you mean. 6. Maybe we should. Incorrect. Maybe we should revisit this. Correct. We should visit this. Remove the hesitation, keeps the direction. 7. I guess. Incorrect. I guess we can do that. Correct. We can do that. I guess sounds unsure and passive. Executives sound decisive, even when calm. 8. This might be wrong, but incorrect. This might be wrong, but correct. One perspective is Don't weaken your idea before you say it. Let the idea stand. 9. Do you want me to? Incorrect. Do you want me to send that? Correct. I'll send that. Executives take initiative. They don't wait for permission on basic actions. 10. A little bit incorrect. It's a little bit unclear. Correct. It's unclear. Softening reduces impact. Clarity builds authority. The real shift from soft to clear. This isn't about sounding harsh. It's about removing unnecessary softness. Let's compare. Soft. I kind of think maybe we should kind of look at this again. Executive. We should review this again. Same idea, different level. Why this matters in meetings. In meetings, weak language reduces influence, invites interruption, and lowers perceived authority. Clear language holds attention, signals confidence, and builds trust. A simple rule to remember. Say it once, say it clearly, stop. Executives don't. Repeat. Justify. Or over-explain. They state, pause, and let the room respond. Here's a practice exercise. Pick one word from today, just one. Remove it for a full day. In emails, in meetings, in messages, you'll immediately notice the difference. My final thought. You don't need more vocabulary to sound senior. You need cleaner language. When you remove weak words, what's left is clarity, confidence, and leadership presence. That's what people respond to. I'm Eric. Thanks for watching The Executive English Coach.